ERA is Executive Recruiters Association, an association of recruiting consulting companies with its headquarters in Bombay. It was started about 9 years ago, and currently we have about 8 chapters in the 4 metros and in 4 non-metro cities of Bangalore, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad and Pune. We have close to about 250 members who are consultants who are members of this association, and a regular feature of this association is having conferences, conclaves, training sessions, etc. across each chapter and across the country. The main purpose of starting ERA was to bring in a certain amount of systematization, professionalization and structure into an industry or into an activity which was never considered as an industry. That was one reason. The other reason was we wanted corporates to recognize that recruitment is not a one-off kind of an activity. It could be a regular profession, it could be a regular business, it could stretch over a period of time, and it could bring in a lot of professionalism and systems into the activity. The founding members were about 4 or 5 senior recruitment companies in India, and currently all the major recruitment companies in India like Manpower, Mafo, Teamlease or Kelly Services, these are Randstad, these are all members of ERA. And today's event is an event which is focused on the SME segment, and we have brought in industry leaders, experts, researchers and professors who have dealt with the SME segment and have seen certain success stories in SME segments which they would like to be replicated across the segment. Thank you.